I would say under a beginner, under the age of 10, to not have your lessons any more than 30 minutes. You know, many parents will talk to you and say that their child is uniquely different. Their child has more of an aptitude than the average child, and they are just gonna be able to grasp anything, and they can handle a 45-minute. I have even had parents try to cajole me into giving an hour lesson, and I just will not do it because it's just a misery. It's just a misery to have to sit through. This is a beginner lesson. I'm not talking about advanced lessons where you have students that are more, their ability is more advanced. I'm talking about beginners, little people. 30 minutes tops. 30 minutes tops. Do not let anybody tell you that you can go longer. You will regret it.
This is the worst.